This video we look into charts. We got this data month and then sales from Jan to June, then sales 5, 10, 15, 20, then 10, 5. So let us insert a chart and show this data in chart format. So go to insert and this is the chart. We'll first select a bar chart, 2D column, the column chart. Now to add data to this, we'll go to this chart design and then select data. Here we have to give the chart data range, or we can add here the legend and then here the category axis label. So let me select this add. We have to give a series name. Series name is sales, and then we have to give the sales values. We delete this. I'll select this. So this is the series values. Then click OK. And then click OK again here. So we got this months 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this data 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we got increased up to here up to the April, because April we got 20, and then decreased from April to June again 5. For 5 and 6 this is 10, and then this is 5. Now we have got these months as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we want to represent them as Jan, Feb, March to June. So right click on the chart and then can select data. So here these months are showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So edit this and access label range and select this. Click OK and then click OK. Now you can see Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June here, and then the sales here 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Now let me change the header. This is I can change it as sales by month. So this is the header, but I want the axis titles. Here it is month and here it is sales. So I'll click on these chart elements and then click on axis titles. So here we got these axis titles. Here I name this as month, and here name this as sales. This a sales. So this is sales for the month. So sales by month. Then click on the chart elements. We can give the data labels. So here we can show how much is this value in April in all the months. So if I click on data labels, you can see here it is 20, 15, 10, 5, then again 10 and 5. And if you want to show the data table itself, you can just click the data table. You can see this Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. So this is the sales. Let us not get this data tables. And then here grid lines is already checked. And this is the, if I click on the trend line, you can see the trend line is like this, almost flat, a little bit decrease here. Let me uncheck this trend line, and legend will see it in a minute. Let us click here. So we'll go back to this chart. Now let us take one more column, profit. So I'll give here 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 1. Delete this 1 here. So we got this profits 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 1. So we want to add this to this chart. We want to add this column 2. Now select the chart, then drag this to expand it. Now you can see this profits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 and 1 again. Now this is not showing which is sales and which is profit, because there is one column that is showing it as in blue color and other in orange color. So it is not clear which is sales and which is profit. So here this axis title will change it to sales and profit. And to represent these sales and profit for the columns, so I'll select this area and click on the chart elements. I select legend. So here we are seeing this series 1 and series 2. So we can know that series 1 is in blue color, is sales, and series 2 is orange color, which is profit. So let us right click here on this chart and select data, and we can edit the names here. Edit. So this is sales. Here you can see the address, and this is series 2 is edit. This is profit. Okay, and click OK. So now we can say blue color is sales and orange color is profit. So you can use the listen to represent multiple columns. Now you can click on this series, one of the series, right click, and then click on change series chart type. Here come to the combo and then choose the chart type and axis for your data series. So for profit, I can select a line, 100% stacked lines. You get a stacked line like this, and if you want to choose this one, stacked line with markers, you get stacked line with markers. You can just line with markers, so you are getting a line with markers. So when the sales increase from 5 to 10 to 15 to 20, the profit increase from 1 to 4. Because this is a simple data, we can easily see it even without a graph, but if there is a lot of data, this will be very helpful. So this is increasing like this, the profits, and when sales decreased, the profit also decreased from 4, 2, and 1. So this way, if you have a line with markers, you can clearly see how the trend is going, and click OK. So you got this here. Now let us click this line and click here. So you'll have all the options. What type of line? This is showing it as automatic. You select this, you will get a gradient line. Select this, you will get a solid line. So let us select the automatic, and you can change the color and all these options you have. And you can as well click on the marker and you can change the markers. This is currently showing automatic, and you can just increase the width of the markers too. So you can see this now on the markers, this points, we increase the width, so it is showing bigger. These markers are showing as bigger markers. So thus we can change the line markers and then line width, etc., using by selecting this line and then selecting this fill style and make the changes required. Now if we want to show this data in totally different chart format, so you can select the whole chart here, right click and change chart type, and you can select the chart we want. So select pie, click OK. You can see the whole chart has changed to a pie. So it is showing Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June in different colors in a circle segments. Now if I just right click and then change chart type again and change it to bar chart, click OK. You can see it has changed to the bar chart now. We undo everything. We came back to the original position.